Gallstones. Types 1. Cholesterol stones, cholesterol solitaire, radiating crystalline appearance, are 6% common, often solitary. Two. Mixed stones are 90% common. It contains cholesterol, calcium salts of phosphate carbonate, palmitate, proteins, and are multiple faceted. A Fig. 12.25a. 3. Pigment stones are small, black or greenish-black, multiple. Often they can be sludge-like. Common in fat, fertile, 40, flatulent, female. Common in Western countries and in North India. Pathogenesis. I. Metabolic. Cholesterol is synthesized in liver. Its solubility is determined by relative concentration of cholesterol, bile salts and lecithin. Altered levels of cholesterol, lecithin, and bile salts in bile reduces the micellar concentration in the bile, leading to precipitation of insoluble cholesterol, hence, the stone formation, lithogenic bile. Normal ratio of bile salt and lecithin to cholesterol is 25:1. Ratio below 13:1 leads to precipitation of cholesterol. Insoluble cholesterol is within the soluble micellar, which is formed by lecithin and bile salts. If cholesterol component increases, bile gets supersaturated and inadequate micellar makes insoluble cholesterol to undergo crystallization and cholesterol monohydrate stone formation, Admine's triangular hypothesis. Some cholesterol remains as biliary lipid vesicles which are soluble. A specified C-heat labile glycoprotein in bile induces cholesterol monohydrate crystal formation in the vesicle and causes their aggregation. It is called as nucleation. Eventual precipitation and stone formation occurs by infection, infestation, pancreatic fluid UID reflux into CBD, causing conversion of toxic lecithin to lysolecithin, which is also toxic, causes supersaturated bile, bile stasis or altered enterohepatic circulation. Fig. 12.27. Diagram showing different. Any condition which either increases the cholesterol secretion in the bile or reduces the bile salt concentration causes cholesterol stone formation. Old age, OCP, obesity, clofebrite may increase cholesterol secretion. Estrogen, allele resection and cholestyramine reduce the bile salt concentration. Chenodeoxycholic acid and ursodeoxycholic acid prevent cholesterol stone formation by maintaining bile acid pool, reducing cholesterol synthesis and secretion, converting supersaturated bile into normal bile. Factors altering the cholesterol to bile salt ratio. Obesity drugs, oral contraceptive pills, clofebrite, cholestyramine. Allele disease, allele resection, altered enterohepatic circulation. Infections and infestations. Bacteria like E. coli, Salmonella, parasites like Clonachus sinensis and Ascaris lumbricoides are often associated. Monahan's aphorism, a gallstone is a tombstone erected to the memory of the organism within it. Fig. 12.28. Pigments. Bile stasis occurs due to estrogen therapy, pregnancy, vagotomy and in patients who are on long-term intravenous fluid UIDs or TPN. IV. Increased bilirubin production due to any of the causes of hemolysis, as in hereditary spherocytosis, sickle cell anemia, thalassemia, malaria, cirrhosis. Here pigment stones are common. Saint's triad. Gallstones, diverticulosis of the colon, hiatus hernia. O rarely center of the stone contains radiolucent gas which is either triradiate, Mercedes-Benz sign, or biradiate, Siegel sign. Sometimes gallbladder may be filled by toothpaste-like material, which is a mixture of calcium carbonate and phosphatase, which on plain X-ray looks like an opacified gallbladder, so called as slimy gallbladder. Only 10% of gallstones are radio-opaque, 90% are radiolucent. Brown pigment stones are formed in biliary tree as primary biliary stones. It is commonly due to infection like Escherichia coli and bacteroids, 98%, with bacterial nidus at the center, often Ascaris lumbricoides or Clonochus sinensis infestation of foreign body or stents. They secrete beta-glucuronidase to cause hydrolysis of soluble conjugated bilirubin to insoluble calcium bilirubinate. It also contains calcium palmitate, calcium stearate and cholesterol. They are brownish yellow, soft and mushy. Effects of the gallstones. A. In the gallbladder eye, silent asymptomatic stones occurs in 10% of males and 20% of females. Biliary colic with periodicity, severe within hours after meal, commonest presentation. Biliary colic is spasmodic pain, often severe, in right upper quadrant and epigastrium radiating to chest, upper back and shoulder. It is self-limiting, recurs unpredictably, often precipitated by a fatty, heavy meal. Fever and increased WBC count may be observed. E. Acute cholecystitis, IV. Chronic cholecystitis, V. Empyema gallbladder, V. Perforation causing biliary peritonitis or pericholecystatic abscess, V. Mucocele of gallbladder, V. Slimy gallbladder, X. Carcinoma gallbladder, B. In the CBD, X. Secondary CBD stones, occurs in 10% of gallstones, She. Cholangitis, Xi. Pancreatitis, Xi. Mirizi syndrome, compression of CBD by stone from cystic duct or cholecystocholdocal fistula. In the intestine teeth, cholecystoduodenal fistula causing gallstone ileus and so intestinal obstruction. Flatulent dyspepsia. It is discomfort in the abdomen, belching, heartburn, fat intolerance, sensation of fullness in the abdomen usually observed in fatty, fertile, fluid attulant female. Gallstone colic. It is sudden, severe colicky abdominal pain in right upper quadrant which radiates to back and shoulder. This pain is due to sudden spasm of gallbladder wall when gallstone moves towards the neck of the gallbladder or cystic duct and gets impacted. Tachycardia and restlessness are common. Right hypochondrium is tender. It is precipitated by supine position while sleeping at night. It lasts for few hours and is episodic. It may precipitate acute cholecystitis or empyema gallbladder. There is refer X. pylorospasm causing vomiting. Mirizi syndrome, physician from Argentina, 1948. In Mirizi syndrome, gallstone impacts in the gallbladder wall and compresses it, causing pressure necrosis which further gets adherent to CBD wall. It eventually causes compression and later occasionally leads into cholecystocholdocal fistula. It occurs either from Hartmann's pouch into CBD, common, or from fundus of gallbladder into the CBD. Mirizi syndrome is suspected on CT scan, but usually identified on table. It needs cholecystectomy, on table cholangiogram, and exploration of CBD. It often needs choledochojejunostomy, partial cholecystectomy with primary closure of CBD is done with AT tube insertion through a separate choledochotomy in type 2. or partial cholecystectomy with closure of gallbladder fluid. APS is done with T-tube insertion through a separate choledochotomy in type 3. Or partial cholecystectomy with duodenal, jejunal anastomosis is done in type 4 is done in few centers. O open approach is ideal for Mirizi even though laparoscopic approach is done in few centers. Mirizi syndrome. Type 1. Compression of CBD without lumen narrowing. Type 2. Compression causing CBD lumen narrowing. Type 3. Compression causing CBD wall necrosis. Type 4. Cholecystocholedochal fistula. Silent gallstone. Asymptomatic stone in the gallbladder. Usually it is cholesterol stone, often single. It is accidentally discovered by US. It need not be treated unless patient is diabetic, immunosuppressed, high chances of developing gallbladder carcinoma, stone more than 2.5 centimeters, multiple stones, if gallbladder wall is thickened, if there is high risk for carcinoma. GB. Management of gallstones. OUS abdomen. Gallstones are seen with posterior acoustic shadowing, plain X-ray abdomen, LFT, total WBC count. O laparoscopic cholecystectomy ideal. O open cholecystectomy is done through right subcostal Koch's incision. Open approach is used if patient is not 5T for laparoscopic surgery, anesthesia, in suspected CBD stones, Mirizi syndrome, suspected carcinoma gallbladder. During laparoscopic cholecystectomy, if there is on-table difficulty in dissection at Calitz triangle, then conversion into open approach may be required. O dissolution therapy for asymptomatic cholesterol stones using ursodeoxycholic acid can be tried. It is not very successful. Differential diagnosis of radio-opaque shadow in X-ray. Kidney stone, gallstone, calcify at 12th rib tip, phlebolith, pancreatic stone, radio-opaque, foreign body, fecolith, calcify at lymph node, calcify at renal, tuberculosis, renal cell carcinoma, calcify cations, adrenal tumor, calcify cation. Teratomatous dermoid, calcify cation of atheroma in aorta, calcified lesion in liver, amoebic liver abscess, calcified hydatid cyst.